3, 2, and. Welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today is a demo from last week's lesson. So, if you're finding this difficult, please check out the lesson from last week. Here are the hand shapes. I'm going to add a little bit extra ideas and some easy improv at the end. So you should stick around if you can. Let's try the right hand quarter notes. Full and. Internalize the beat. Now we're going to break up the rhythm in the right hand. And. One, two, three, four. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. All right, it's going to get syncopated here. And. 4 and. 2, 3, 4 and. And 2 and 3, 4. Do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Let's try octave. 2, 3, 4 and 2, 4 and 2, 4 and 3, 4. 1, 2. We're going to add a small rhythmic build. And. And. Here we go. 4. 4 and. And. 3, 4 and 2. Let's go back to the basic before we improvise. And. Try to breathe with the piano. Breathe with your phrasing. I'll go first and improvise. Super simple. One, two, your turn. D minor. F. A minor. D minor. F. G minor 7. Just about done. Hey everyone, I just wanted to thank you for checking out this video lesson. Hopefully it was helpful for you. And if it was helpful, would you consider hitting that like button, because then it can reach other awesome musicians and piano enthusiasts like you. That would be great. If this lesson was too tricky, do not worry. I have some inversion videos as well as some chord basic accompaniment videos that can get you started. I'm going to be adding to that too, by the way. So until next time, please take care, and I wish everyone well. And it's an honor to get to do this and meet so many of you through the screen and continue to make great music and work together. Bye for now.